안녕하세요. Okay, what is your name? Kerwin. How old are you? Pila mo edad? 9. And what grade level man ka sa school? Grade 3. Okay. So, Kerwin, since you are not you cannot familiarize the multiplication yet. So, ako tikang hatagan o 1 month chance for you to memorize the multiplication. So, that is our agreement. So, puto sabot na dudong, tagaan tigag usa ka buwan nga higayon para maka-recite ka sa multiplication. Dayon, if dili ka maka-recite is matangtang siya. But, I hope nga, imo siyang hatagan og chance nga makatuon ka. Kay taas-taas pa man ang 1 month. Okay ra? Okay. Fighting, Kerwin! Okay, bye-bye! Okay.
Dali ade.
Okay. Find the area of a circle using pi. So, ang given is 45 radius. 45 ang radius niya. So, ang formula sa pi natong gamiton kay equals pi equals 3.14 times radius squared. So, pila may given nato is 45. So, 3.14 times 45 squared. So, i-multiply nimo ang 45 by itself. So, pila man siya? 45 times 45. 2,025. So, pag human nimo multiply ana, i-multiply na po nimo sa pi using sa pi. So, 3.14 times 2,225. Pila may answer na to? Oh, 6,358.5 meter squared meter. Kuha na, wala ka naglibog. Spam ka naglibog. Kung diameter. Kung ang given is diameter, imo na siyang kwaon ang radius. For example, 20 ang gihatag diameter, 20 diameter. So, pila may katunga sa 20 diameter? 10. So, 10 ang radius ana niya. So, mao na siya nimoy i-multiply by itself, which is 10 times 10, mao na siya mahimong 100. So, after nimo multiply ana, imo na pong i-multiply sa pi, using sa pi nga 3.14. So, 3.14 times 100 equals 314 centimeter, squared centimeter. Kuha na. Inalan ko maglibog ka ha. Pangutana ran ako. So, ari na punta. Find the area of a triangle. So, atong given is 5 feet o 3 feet. So, unsa man ang formula sa triangle na to? Unsay formula sa triangle? Makuha ang triangle. Formula niya. So, area equals base times height. I-divide na to og 2. O, na formula sa triangle. So, i-solve na nimo. So, pila man? 5 times 3. So, 15. So, 15 divide 2. 7.5 kay equal.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Good afternoon, L2. Now, I give you activity about Roman numerals. First, mag-contest ta ha. First, kanang kuha si Jamaica o si Inday. Go sa blackboard. Asa ang pentel pen? May lain pentel pen? Ano din? Right daw. Huli, lain pentel pen? What is the Roman numerals of 51? 51. Number 2. What is the Roman numerals of 49? O, di na mga api. Be honest. 49. Number 3. What is the Roman numerals of 50? 50. 50. What is the Roman numerals of 13? 13. 13. 1, 3. 13. O, di mga pinday. What is the Roman numerals of 5? 5. 5. Ano ka na, Anday? 5. Stop. Inside correct number 1. L-I is checked. Number 2. 49? 49 nino? Wrong mundo ha. 49. X, I, X. X, L, I, X. 49. X, L, I, X. Number 3, L is check. Kung saan na mo I lagi na.
Ako lang gano'n.
Number 1. Oh. L is 50. Roman numerals of 4 is 13. Check. Come on, check. Number 5, check. Perfect score is wala.
For me.
For 4 mo. Sige, next. What is Roman numerals of 9? 9. Number 2. What is Roman numerals of 7? 7. Oh, walay kapihay. Di ang sa iyong answer. Number 3, what is the Roman numerals of 17? Number 4, what is the Roman numerals of number 4? 4. Then number 5 is what is the Roman numerals of number 6? 6. And say first question ako, ito Roman numerals sa number 9. Wrong ka sa si Pauline check. IX. IX.
Oh, IX.
3 is ano to number 2?
7.
7. Ano naman na mo ha? 52 man na mo ha. L is 50. 7. Number 3, 17. Check, Samantha. Unsa man na yung mga Pauline? X. Unsa na siya? XVII. No, check. Number 4 is 4. Check. Number 5 is 6. Check. Oh. Kinsay 4 ra ka Paulina, 5 6 samanta. 4 7 na check. Check.
For 4 sila check.
4 sila no. Wrong na number 1 no. 4. Number 1. What is the Roman numerals of 59? 59 5 9. Number 2. Ay, wapalay no? Napalay just for purple and malay ko. And open. 59. 59. Sige. Number 2. What is Roman numerals of 40? 40. 40. 40. Sige, hatag niya Jasper. Ewa matay. Ito, lain. Number 3, what is the Roman numerals of 7? 7. 7. 7. Sige, hatag ni Jasper. Number 4, what is the Roman numerals of 47? 47. 47. Hatag niya. Ayan, ay close. 47. 7. Next. Ayan, say hatag. Hatag. Dahil sa mo just what is the Roman numerals of 39? 39. 39. 39. 39. 39. So, 9. What is 9? What is the Roman numerals of 9? Hatag niya. Hatag niya. Sige, go, 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 go. Number 1 is 59. Wrong si Jasper. Is B is 5. IX is 9. Check. L is 50. 2. XL is 40. Check. 3 is 7. Check. 4 is 47. Check. Wrong. Wrong. 5 is 39. Check. Wrong. 2 just for 5. See?
Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Jonel. Good evening, classmates. I'm glad to see you all tonight.
What day is today?
Today is Friday, December 6, 2024.
Is everybody present?
No, Ryan is excused for tonight.
Okay, thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, Teacher Jonel.
So, please open your notes sa katong gikapin ninyo nga vernacular to English words. So, na ba yung answer tanan?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So, I let you study for 30 minutes and then right after 30 minutes, mag-exam ko, ana. Maghatag ko ninyo og vernacular nga word, Bisaya nga word, and then you'll give me the English word. Kasabot wala?
Kasabot.
Okay, start. Start.
Teacher Jonel, ang test spelling sa tired.
Tired? T-I-R-E-D. T-I-R-E-D. Study. Hinay lang. So, Ryan is excused for the night since he is sick because of his swelling hand.
So, sakto na itong spelling ko.
He is sick since last 2 days.
Practice.
Nganong ginanghungoy ab man na si Ate Eunice.
Sakto na ito.
Prepare. P-R-E-G-O-L P-A-R-E. Prepare. Okay. Is everyone ready?
Yes!
Okay, so naghatag na ko ninyo og whiteboards. Isa whiteboards, B?
Right.
Okay, so ara ninyo i-write ang English word. Maghatag ko AJ, maghatag ko og Bisaya nga word kamo ang mo English. Kasabot wala.
Yes!
When I count 1, 2, 3, dungan mo og isa sa inyuhang whiteboard. Okay. So first, give me the English word of buhi. Buhi. 1. Patrice, when I say or when I count 1, 2, 3. Ubusa. 1, 2, 3. Isa. 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 Okay, unsa English?
Alive!
Alive.
AJ.
Nganong life man na AJ? Kisa ang wala na isa. Si Lois o si Eunice. Ngano man?
Wala sila kabalo.
Okay, ang English sa buhi kay?
Alive!
Alive. Very good. Next. What is the English word of dato? Dato. Dili sa mo isa ha. Dato. 1, 2, 3. Isa. Okay, answer.
Rich!
Rich. Very good. Next. What is the English word of atop? Atop. Atop. 1, 2, 3. Isa. Isa na. Ang answer?
Roof!
Roof. Very good. Wala ka isa si Ate Eunice.
O si Pirot.
Og si Lois.
O si Axel.
Og si Axel.
Isa to.
Be, tarong. Okay, 1, 2. What is the English word for ablihi? Ablihi.
Ablihi.
Ablihi. 1, 2, 3. Isa. What?
Open. Open.
1, 2, 3. What?
Open.
Okay, very good. All got the correct answer. Okay, what is the English word of balud? Balud.
Unsa to te?
Balud. Bowed.
Manang.
Balud. 1, 2, 3. Isa. Okay, what is the English word of the balud? Wave. Patrice is wrong. It's not stink. Stink is? Baho. Very good. Next. Give me the English word of appeal. Appeal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Pag kuningon og isa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa. Okay, what's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? Join. Very good. Eunice is wrong. What's the answer ni Ate Eunice?
J-O-Y.
Joy. Joy is?
Sabon.
Sabon moron. Joy is? Ha?
Happy.
Happy. Happy ate. Join ha.